In the next 4 minutes, you will learn about the benefits of our self-serve, AI-driven resume, cover letter, and career advice program, and how you can instantly become the candidate everyone wants to hire. So come on in.
Well, hello. How awesome would it be to have a super smart AI craft your resume, tailored just for you? This isn't just any AI. It's designed with a PhD-level understanding of humanistic thinking. Each resume you generate comes with 2 unique professional profiles to choose from to highlight your top 3 traits, perfectly matching what your dream employer is looking for and setting you up for success in your job hunt. And guess what? Our process allows you to target as many different jobs as you want. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited custom resumes at your fingertips. Now, here's Sophie. She's going to walk through how Resume 360 works. You'll see just how easy it is to create an impressive ATS-friendly resume in no time at all. So here we go.
Hi there. Welcome to Resume 360. This is your best solution for creating custom job-winning resumes in only minutes. Here's why. Using our site is simple. 1. Upload your current resume. 2. Add any updates or special instructions. 3. Select your target job. Next, click on the Combine Documents button, and your custom prompt is created almost instantly. Then grab your custom prompt by clicking on Copy to Clipboard, and that's it. You're now ready to paste the completed prompt into ChatGPT or DeepSeek, Gemini, Claude, you decide. This isn't just another resume template generator. It's a smarter way to craft resumes that stand out. This prompt generates a professional resume with 2 professional profiles to choose from, and they are customized for each employer's job requirements for every job you target. Here's why this self-serve approach is a game changer. Crafting and editing professional resumes can be difficult, but this strategy prints resumes from your favorite word processor as many times and whenever needed. No need to learn new tools. Then there is unlimited flexibility. You can use the prompt with multiple AI tools for endless possibilities. No limitations, unlimited use, no additional charges, no time limit. Time-saving customization. Quickly generate tailored professional profiles for each job application, saving hours of manual work. You absolutely can have your dream job. Action is the key, so let's do this.